Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Justin here, and we're here to talk about one of my favorite topics, getting comfortable, or more specifically, getting comfy and relaxed outdoors. Whether you're at the campsite, race trailer, or simply on your home patio, we've got a few things that once you have them, you'll wonder how you ever did without. First up is this massive camping mat. Lay this sucker down and you'll be able to walk around your campsite barefoot, no problem. Even better, it'll help prevent you from tracking mud and dirt inside your camper or race trailer. It's super durable, waterproof, and really easy to clean. And on top of this mat, you'll have to set up some of these sweet camping chairs. The one I'm sitting in right now is a direct connection one, simply because our cameraman is a huge Mopar fan. Summit Racing has plenty of other options to choose from. Visit summitracing.com and type in folding chair into that search box and you'll see what we mean. Now that we've got our patio mat and our chairs, it's time for a cold one. A cold soda pop, that is. For starters, Summit Racing has a dang near bulletproof hard cooler that'll stand up to just about anything. And depending on the situation, they'll keep your stuff cool for days. They come in a few different sizes and colors and feature rugged handles so they easily can be lugged around the job site or tossed in the back of your truck or trailer. But if you've got access to a power source, Summit Racing has another step above. We have these cool portable fridges and freezers that are a great solution for long-term camping or race weekends. You can get them in a few different sizes and they can run off AC or DC power. They get really cold too, so cold that you'll be able to make ice or keep freshly caught fish cold for the ride home. Now, if you're really on the go, running between the trailer or track, or if you're a big dirt bike guy like me, you're gonna appreciate this next item. We have these sweet Summit Racing hydration packs. Now, these things hold 2 liters of water and have adjustable straps for all-day comfort. And with its durable water bladder, it means that you'll spring a leak before this thing does. But now it's time for my favorite part of the video, the part where I finally get to take a break. Sure, I could tell you guys about the Summit Racing portable hammock and how great it is, how quick and easy it is to set up and break down, and how it holds up to 500 pounds. I could also tell you that it's super rugged, weather resistant, and comes in its own storage bag. But with you, the customer, in mind, I'm gonna subject myself to some rigorous testing to make sure this thing performs well in the real world environment. It's a tough job, but somebody's gotta do it. So I'll be engaged in some extensive R&D for at least the next 6 hours. So keep it down, and I'm gonna be testing hammocks in here. Until next time, I'm Justin with Summit Racing, and thanks for watching.